Today's video is all about the glow. Stay tuned to know what I mean. Welcome to the Kasey Show! Welcome to the Kasey Show. Today we're going to be talking about floaty crystal putty. Flashing crystal putty. So it has this crystal in it and it lights up if you push it. So let's get into it. This is it. So now you want to see what's inside it. When I was telling you. Ta-da! Woohoo! Let me show you.
Whoa.
And this is technology thing. This is my putty came in. So it's super breakable. Glow slime.
So Kasey, wouldn't it be great if you had something else that kind of glowed? Maybe we do.
Let's see what's in there. It's a surprise light glitter. Ooh, first let's read the secret message.
Hair, makeup, check.
First blind bag. It's a bottle. Looks like it's shoes. 2 glittery shoes.
Okay.
I feel so special now. Ooh, it's the black light. You see? Ooh. So adorable.
You've been watching a lot of that, huh? So glittery, sparkly. Ooh la la.
Okay, now this one. Pacifying bracelet. Coco. She's a tingler and a glow in the dark. Her name is Gayla Cutie. Let's take a pause while I get her dressed. The instructions said that this light can make them glow. Now that she's all dressed, let's see. So make up in this. Where am I again? But why is it so black outside? I screamed. I think this doll is super cute. I'm glad we'll be able to get it on Amazon. If you see some guys, why go play with this cutie? Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.